This is breaking news coming out of the United States. Today, April 5th, 2024, the East Coast, specifically around New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, was hit with a 4.5 to a 4.8 magnitude earthquake. Here are several footages and videos from witnesses across these states. The first one was in Pennsylvania. She records before the earthquake, hundreds of birds, possibly crows, gathering in her trees. Definitely a warning that something was coming. The next are from Brooklyn and New York. Just so many questions regarding all these weather phenomenons and anomalies across the world. Does this tie anyway into the total solar eclipse that's coming on the 8th? Take a look at this footage and you tell me.